This is a songwriter. He writes a song, which is played by musicians and sung by singers, performed in concerts, played on the radio, television, the internet, heard in bars, malls, hotels, restaurants, movie houses, airlines, and enjoyed by everyone, everywhere. So, what would life be without music? There would be no songs without songwriters. Phil's Gap, serving songwriters so they can serve you.
Pangarap mo din bang magkaroon ng sariling bahay? Kung ikaw ay isang Filipino citizen, nasa legal na edad, hindi pa naging recipient ng anumang housing project ng gobyerno o pribadong sektor, kabilang sa urban poor, informal settler families, informal sector, minimum and middle-waged earners, mga empleyado ng gobyerno o overseas Filipino workers, active member ng Pag-ibig at may 24 na buwang hulog, edad na 65 taong gulang pababa sa panahon ng pag-loan at hihigit sa 70 taong gulang pag nag-mature ang loan. Dapat ikaw din ay first-time homeowner at may endorsement mula sa LGU at sa Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development. Walang outstanding Pag-ibig short-term loan at walang foreclosed, cancelled o default Pag-ibig account. Ari kang mag-avail ng murang pabahay ng gobyerno sa ilalim ng Pambansang Pabahay para sa Filipino Housing for PH program. Makipag-ugnayan sa inyong LGU at sa DHSUD at alamin ang mga detalye ukol sa 4PH dahil walang Pilipinong walang bahay sa sariling bayan.
Ang buhay ay sasaya basta't busog ang pamilya. Kumeya, Kumeya, ibig ko sabihin masarap talaga.
Kumeya 3Q Bihon, masarap talaga.
Whether you're in business and own a store
or a busy housewife with children of 4, make shopping easy. Come to Cash and Carry. Make shopping easy. Come to Cash and Carry.
If you need a can of beans or 100 of the same,
Whatever your need or whatever your game, make shopping easy. Come to Cash and Carry. Make shopping easy. Come to Cash and Carry. A supermart and a wholesale mart, that's Cash and Carry. A supermart and a wholesale mart, that's Cash and Carry. Make shopping easy. Come to Cash and Carry.
Will you be there and be your best and fill your mind? Will you be there and see the world, leave the rest behind? If you got what it takes, you can get the breaks and even learn for free. UB, University of Baguio. Will you be there?
Power down at night. Before bed, make it a habit to switch off lights, TVs, and computers. Give yourself a restful night's sleep while conserving energy. Remember, every small action adds up to make a big difference. Let's work together to conserve energy and create a better future.
you have the power.
Energy efficiency starts with you.
This is a public service announcement from the Department of Energy and the station.
Wow! Ang daming pagpipilian, kuya.
Ito mukhang okay to.
Kosa, pasensya ka na. Hindi to pwede sa dalawang anak mo, R13. May barilan at violence. Para lang to sa mga may edad 13 years old pataas. Ang suggestion ko, doon ka sa kabila.
Naku, kuya, di pwede dito. R16 to eh. May mga temang edad 16 years old pataas lang nakaintindi at topics na need talaga ng guidance ng parentals. Kinder!
Hi po.
Hi!
Father, sana kayo dito, kaso R18 to. Dapat 18 years old pataas lang ang pwede. Sayang.
Sayang. I love you, honey.
Mommy! Daddy! Ito na lang panoorin natin.
Yan, pwede yan. Dahil G ang rating yan. Kaso, baka hindi magustuhan ng kuya mo yan eh.
Crikey! This is a film for your whole family! Tama! Dahil PG ang rating namin, kahit mga chikiting na katulad ko, pwedeng manood nito. Basta, kasama ang magulang nyo.
Alam ko na.
Yes!
Good choice, sir. Wow.
Agree ako dyan.
Mabuting nagkakasundo ang pamilya sa bawat pelikulang panonoorin. Parating tandaan na ang MTRCB ay kaagapay ng pamilyang Pilipino tungo sa responsableng panonood.
Ang suwit-sit ay bang-mang-mang, ang suwipol ay bang-hung-hang, ang babae sa lansangan, huwag hiritan kundi igalang.
Pare, ang catcalling ay isang uri ng sexual harassment. Di biro ang sexual harassment at di nakakamacho ang pang-aabuso.
Huwag hiritan kundi igalang.
Isang paalala mula sa Philippine Commission on Women.
This public service advertisement is free of charge by Brainchild Media Network Group.
Good day for a date. Bad day for kate. Baka dandruff yan. Mag-new Head & Shoulders every day. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head & Shoulders.
You want great hair? Pero tutuchang-tuchang.
May sagot right here.
New Pantene Supplement Conditioner with provitamin and collagen. Smooths out to chung easily for smoothness. It's not luck, it's Pantene.
Happy birthday, Atewi Jane Marie Milan. More blessings to come. Stay safe and stay strong always. Wishing you all success and the best. Greetings from DWCJ 97.9, 101.1 KISS FM, and Brainchild Media Network Group family. This is music radio station of Brainchild Media Network Group. You're listening to 101.1 KISS FM.
The best music on the best station. 101.1 KISS